today, let's go over how to use a planner for your business. Now, listen, I want to preface this with, I was never an organized person. I called myself like an organized hot mess. So I don't know if you're, you fall under that category, or maybe you're already like super organized, and that's great. You're going to want to have some sort of planner for your business, okay? And it might be one of those things where it feels kind of weird to start doing it, but I promise you, after just a couple weeks, it's going to be amazing. You're going to feel like you can handle and tackle everything, and it's going to make your customer enrollments and your business partner enrollments skyrocket, okay? So there's two types of planners. You can use an app. I love to use an app called AnyPlan. You do pay for it just one time and it'll last the rest of your life. That's what works best for me. I'm a busy mom of 3 on the go, and so, a digital planner works best. You can also use a paper planner. And so for visual purposes, I'm going to show you what I like to do with a visual planner. I like one that has a calendar at a glance. You can see this is from 2017. So I keep them forever. I like to put any personal things that are going on in my life in this part of the planner, so that way I know, what's going on. It really just makes me feel like I can do all the things. But this is the main part for business, okay? Every single person that I talk to, I get a date from them of when they're going to enroll, okay? So let's say today is Monday. I will make a list of every single person that I am talking to about the products or the business or maybe trial packs. I will write them down today. I'll keep a running list. By the end of the night, I'm going to make sure to finish the conversation. So if we're talking about products, I'm going to make sure that I go double check our conversation, because we can get busy. And I will make sure that I've said, okay, perfect. Are you ready to order now? I'm placing orders. Or if they can't order today, when can you? Same thing for, joining your team. If they do not order right on the spot or join your team on the spot, I say, okay, when will you? I can get you in my schedule to reserve your spot. So I'm going to then take their name and I'm going to write it on that date, okay? You're going to find that Thursdays and Fridays will have the most names. That's when people get paid. So what I do is on that day, so let's say it's Thursday, I'm going to go down this list and I'm going to follow up these people. On Friday, I'm going to do the exact same thing, but this is where I knock it out of the park. Not only on Fridays will I follow up with just the people who are on Friday, but I will start going back in days up to 3, even 6 months. So Friday, I'm literally spending all of my time just following up with people who I've talked to in the past. Anybody who's maybe ignored me, they still didn't order. It takes the average person 7 to 21 times of being followed up with before they do. And so just become a professional follow-upper and watch my little masterclass on following up if you feel uncomfortable or nervous about anything, and get your planner. It's going to change your business.